The other thing that's in my mind as well are places like hospitals
Yes.
and places where people go to get better. So those hospitals might be A&E or wards, or it may be like a psychiatric. I'm wondering how clued in they are on Cradle to Cradle and on focusing on the materials that are actually being used in these buildings to support and help the ends that they're trying to work to with helping people to recover from injury or disease.
That is probably the worst of the bunch, because a lot of the hospitals are on a very small budget, and a lot of them are repeating the same sort of materials they've used over the last set of decades. When I studied optimizing human health, that was one of the case studies that I looked at, was hospitals. And to be fair, they have quite a rigorous set of rules about what materials they may or may not use, because they can't use tiles in many spaces because of grouting and bacteria. They've got to use a lot of easy, clean surfaces and a lot of no spaces between surfaces as far as possible. So they do use things like PVC, which is a neurotoxin. It affects 6 of our bodily functions. It affects our brain, affects our heart, affects our liver, affects neuro effect, and they will use a PVC in hospitals. Now, there are alternatives to PVC, but a lot of people don't even know that it's a toxic